Geez, sitting on the edge of the road. Kenmore Special Edition. I'll throw it in the van. I'm going to put my mask on and plug it in for the first time. I don't know what kind of dust is going to come off this mask. On and off right here. Lots of suction. Brush bar is a little bit dirty, but see if I can. I'm guessing something was leaking. Look at the track of dust there, and it's got a bag in it. So I'm thinking whenever they vacuum, dust just filled the room. That's probably why it was sitting outside the curb. The bag is 3/4 full. But that's my giveaway right there with the dust. And the dust is all in there as well, which this here leads to the motor, and if I bang this will be dusty as well. See? Okay. My advice would be change the bags regularly, for sure. Kind of simple. Unlock it. Oh, one on the other side too. Unlock. See, you got dust right here where the belt went. Belt's in good shape. Put that over here. And I'll pull the brush bar to see if it's actually spinning right, because there could be hair trapped right along these edges. Which causes it not to spin properly. Oh, the whole clip comes out of there. Take that piece off. See what I'm doing here. Yeah, that just slides up here. There. Now let's see how good this is gonna spin. Nope, it's not spinning properly. That bearing could use some oiling. See, it's discolored. See the rust in there? That's why it's not spinning properly on that side. See, this side's spinning good, but this side isn't. Yeah, so use a steel brush, clean that off, give it a little bit of oil, grease, clean that. Clean this bearing on this side. Sometimes hair gets wound in the trap right there. Okay. Well, I got all the screws taken off. And there's the motor. Dust filled. Look at that. Just as I thought. And that's getting back in your room every time you're vacuuming. So all these plastic pieces can be washed with soap and water. And you can just lift the motor out of here. I might have to undo the I'll undo the see, and you wiggle it that way now. I guess I could undo the hose. Make it simpler. There, the hose is on. So you can just wiggle it that way and it comes off. And then put it back the same way. That definitely can be washed in water. And you can just lift this off. This dust shield can be, look at that. That can be washed in water. You want to try to blow the motor out with air.